She moves where the wild winds call, her laughter carried on silver mist. She is the whisper before the storm, the touch of air upon the wrist. The wind wraps soft around her skin, a lover's breath, a tempest's hymn. It lifts her steps, it guides her flight, its restless heart entwined with hers. She sings with gales, she runs with storms, her voice like echoes in the trees. She does not bow, she does not break, she dances where the sky is free. No tether holds, no hand commands, for she belongs to drifting tides. The wind loves her, calls her name, and in its arms she rides.